Boat Trailers Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global boat trailers market size will be $1,251.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America boat trailers market size of $500.48 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe boat trailers market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $375.36 million. Asia Pacific boat trailers market size of $287.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America boat trailers market size of $62.56 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa boat trailers market size of $25.02 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.